Hey everyone, Shaunus here. Welcome to this course. Thank you for joining our community, and let's get started because you're about to learn some awesome top class affiliate marketing stuff. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm just making this video to tell you why this system works so good, because when it comes to Facebook ads, a lot of people are skeptical. They're not sure if they want to do Facebook ads, because first of all, let me tell you something. Even if you don't have any experience with Facebook ads, it's not a problem at all. Okay, it's super easy. You're gonna see me doing it on screen, so that's not going to be a problem at all. But when it comes to Facebook ads, some people are not sure, because I have a bunch of online stores that I run Facebook ads, hundreds of dollars every day I spent on Facebook ads. And let me tell you something, it's not easy to do Facebook ads, because Facebook ads, if you want to become successful in Facebook ads, you need to test. Okay, it's not going to be like you targeting an audience and making money with it. It's not possible. Okay, so what you need to do is test. But another problem is, for example, if someone's starting, let's say you're just obviously a lot of you guys are starting, and you're not really familiar with Facebook ads or affiliate marketing at all, and you don't want to spend your money figuring out what works, because obviously there's a chance that many of you are having a limited budget. Okay, and that's the beauty of this system. This system is not about spending your money on Facebook ad to figure out what works, what doesn't work. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask Facebook to tell us what exactly works on our offer, and that's the beauty part of it. Because let me tell you again, I spend hundreds of dollars every day on Facebook ads to send traffic to my Shopify stores, my Amazon, my affiliate marketing, ClickBank offers, my own offers. So again, when I tell you that it's not easy to become successful with Facebook ads, that is true. Okay, you need to test. Well, with this system, with this specific system, this is something that I've been using for a couple of months, and I'm saving so much money in Facebook ads that you don't even believe it. Okay, so with this system, I'm going to show you exactly how you can invest your money in Facebook ads and get results instead of data, because you don't want to waste your money to figure out what doesn't work. You want to invest your money to get commissions, right? And that's what you're going to learn in this system. You're going to learn how we can actually get that data exactly from Facebook, instead of wasting our money to figure out what works, what doesn't work with Facebook audience tools and stuff. We're going to exactly have Facebook tell us what works with our offer, and that's how powerful this system is. And I'm incredibly excited to teach this to you guys, because it's so good that you're going to be able to use it in every business that you run, not just ClickBank. I mean, I'm focusing on ClickBank because obviously many of you are having trouble making commissions on ClickBank, and this is going to help you to actually make your commission. But this works on anything. If you have a Shopify store, if you have other products that you're trying to promote, this works beautifully with everything, and you're gonna see exactly how it works. So let's get into it, because I don't want to waste any time. So what I'm gonna do is, in next video, I'm gonna lay down the system for you, okay, before we actually go into my computer, and before I show you exactly what you need to do on the screen. So I'm gonna lay it down for you so you can see exactly how the system works, so you can get an idea of how the system works. And then after that, we're gonna dive into it, and I'm gonna show you everything on my screen, step by step, click by click. Alright, so I'm super excited to teach you this, and I'll see you in the next video.